How to make a study abroad application. First, you want to log into our website by clicking on the little red person tab in the top right corner, and then you want to look for programs on our website. You can do this by watching one of our other videos. You can really do it by any concentration you want, or even by country or language. Once you see a program that you're interested in, you want to click on it, and you should see an Apply Now button. That will let you apply through our program website. You will also have to have the program itself have an application as well. You will pick the term that you want, and then you will be able to see all of the application components. As a reminder, since we have two different applications, you will have the components might be a little different for your host program. So it will show you everything you need to do, including 3 application questions. They're really easy. Don't need to spend a lot of time working on them. Honestly, you will have to upload a 4-year plan, which can be found on the registrar's office website. And please note that it is called the educational planning form. It does have a new name, but that is important. And then most of this, you'll just click that you agree and that you've read the information. And don't forget to look up a faculty recommender. You just type in their name and hit search, and then it'll send them an email. And that is how you make your application for studying abroad.